So any YouTube channel, particular video will go for trending. So many videos will be going to trending. So the trending option is called the creating campaign for using Google AdWords. So that is called how to increase your YouTube video ads to trending my video on YouTube channel. The trending is called every view per hour will reaching for 1,000 viewers are important. Per hour more than 1,000 viewers are important. How to create your video ads campaign on Google AdWords? First of all, go to your Google AdWords, google.com/AdWords. Go to campaign. In this campaign, create new campaign. In this, we can go to your total campaign. In this, we are coming to the video campaign. Video campaign will be totally two options: custom video campaign and ad sequence. But here we can give by subcategories. Here, first one, sale, lead generation, and website traffic, and product and brand consideration, brand and awareness and reach. So video supporting for sale, leads, website traffic, and brand and product consideration, brand awareness and reach. And a direct video marketing. One is called custom video campaign and ad sequence. Go for ad sequence. First of all, campaign name, video ads. Your campaign was selected by the daily and campaign total. Campaign total will be 1,500. Means when you finish my 1,500 rupees, the ad will be stopped. Next, ad date. I'm not mentioning any particular date. Why? Because I mentioned by the total campaign will be 1,500. When finish your 1,500 rupees, the ad will be closed. And your target will be maximum CPV and maximum target CPM. So always will focus by CPM. Cost per 1,000 impression nothing but target CPM. Cost per mile. Mile nothing but 1,000 impression. Mile nothing but 1,000 impression. Select target CPM. But always remember, here one condition is applicable. Your video will be 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Go with the CPM. Your video more than 15 seconds. Option call is CPV. Based on the video, your bidding category will be selected. More than 15 seconds is called CPV. Less than 15 seconds is called CPM. Please note down. So my video more than 15 seconds will be selected by CPV. Means skip ad. Which one? Skip ad. And YouTube video will display by the only for one platform. YouTube videos. Video partner is not applicable and YouTube searches will be not applicable. Support by all languages. Only support by India. I'm setting only for Hyderabad. Next, any gender, anything. So what option will be required? Just remove this. And audience selection. Audience selection, your interest, educational, interior, everything. So select by your option. Browse. Search. Any people. You can search it for digital marketing. Which one? Advertising and marketing services. Set the particular goal. Which one? Setting the particular audience who are into advertising and marketing services. Next, inventory type, standard, X2 content, show on all, and X2 type of label, show on all. Additional option, Create your videos sequence steps. New step. The ad will be like this. The ad will be people showing for your YouTube channel will be like this. This is the ad. This is mean by ad sequence ad. Why? Because it's a non is it not a skippable and a non-skippable. And they're showing for this will be one type. Second will showing for video skippable ad. So ad sequence nothing but skip ad. Outstream nothing but this will be outstream. So what I'm creating for ad sequence nothing but skip ad. That will be showing for like this. Ad sequence, ad group, video, skip ads, maximum CPV 0.25 paisa, not supporting 1 rupee, 2 rupees. We'll check the video. The showing for in-stream and bumper ad. What is showing for? Only in-stream. Ad sequence nothing but only for in-stream ad. Nothing but skip ad. One skip ad. Finally, go for your website. Display URL. There I will be supported by desktop and mobile. And you can add your another option is called call to action. Nothing but your mobile number. Your mobile number and headline. Book your appointment. Only support by book your slot. So image will be auto generated. This time will be video skip ad. Ad sequence will be create. See, video must be from channel linked with the Google Ads account. So this will be created by the my particular ads account. And ad sequence. So what are the Gmail will be there? Same ad will accept and forget to adding the another ad. Same Gmail is required for the ad sequence. Same Gmail required for the ad sequence. Select it. So I'm setting for same Gmail with the same ad. You will accept. Always remember, any ad sequence, if you are selecting for wrong email, video ads, it will be not accepted. Will be not accepted. Select your video ad, click for ad sequence. See the option. It will error some occur. We'll fix this error. 1 second. Now changing my ad to a particular option. Select it. Video ad. Showing for in-stream and video discover ad. Video discover will be below this one. will be in stream. So what are thumbnail will be showing for skip ad. We change some options called to in stream and video discovery. Video discover nothing but any people searching for digital marketing related anyone, the ad will showing will be like this. This is a video discovery ad. Second one is called in stream ad. It's called skip ad. So finally select by the URL. Select your option. Add my call button. That will only for support by the 10 digit. Book your slot and video skip ads. Here all will be finished. Is asking for your end date. So is asking for which one? End date also will be mandatory. But we are writing for campaign total. But is asking for end date. Select date. 31st. Any campaign will be failure reason is called. What are the capture will be finished here. So this is your based on the budget. They give the views, impression, CPV cost and budget spending. You can get the views 3,600 to 7,000. Impression will be 7,700 to 18,000. Out of 18,000 will get the views will be 3,600 to 7,000. Any views, maybe 4,000 or maybe 5,000, maybe 6,000. But 3,600 views will be guaranteed. And 7,700 will be impression will be guaranteed. Finally, select your campaign. The campaign preview will be two options, YouTube and Google Video Partner, desktop and mobile. The previous ad sequence some issues are changing the type of ad. Finally, save and continue. This will be approval. Select your standard inventory, India, all language, maximum CPV, one ad group, one ad. Continue to campaign. Your campaign will be created successful be using this option. What showing for eligible. So select it, all campaign. Anytime campaign, what are the criteria will showing for the report? After campaign will be successful done, how to download the campaign? In this will be running campaign. Select it. Here will be selected by the every option will be here. Copy, paste, enable, change your budget strategies, and editing, targeting. It's clear. And what are the report you can download? Report download will be here. It's clear. This is called your report formatting. Select your campaign and download by your report by here. It's clear. And what are the report you can check by here also? Impression, interaction rate, average cost, and conversion, and conversion cost, and conversion rating, and a business salary type. This is called ad creation for YouTube channel for skip ad. Nothing but maximum CPV, cost per view. Any YouTube ad will be totally dependent by three options: CPA, CPV, CPM. But CPA will be deleted by YouTube, only promoted by the CPV and CPM. Cost per view and cost per mile. Mile nothing but 1,000 impressions.